Welcome back. Looks like it's round two. Nice big old lawn. Gonna make it look pretty. Like it up, please. Alright. Another big beauty down in the books. Got a little problem with the wetness over here. I don't know if you can see the lines. Pretty much from that hydrant down there all the way to this tree. Freaking swamp. But I'll get it done. Always make it look good. Gotta take pride in their work sometime. Well, not bad for being wet for the most part. I think it came out looking pretty good. And now we get to the other half of this lawn. It's actually, this dude has a really nice piece of property. Got this gorgeous part, and the best part is definitely going to be the backyard. Got the little doggy fence. I like it. Look at that gorgeous pool. Nice little fireplace too. Oh, be nice. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed.